Welcome, my dear students. In this lecture, we will discuss the theme and summary of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. First of all, we will read the text of the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth, then took the other, as just, as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted here, though as for that the passing there had borne them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubt if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Now we will move to the theme of the poem. The Road Not Taken is one of the well known poems of Robert Frost. It is based on the theme as the universal dilemma of facing two similar choices. Through the theme of the poem, the poet presents his own lifestyle. The poet accepts less used path in his life because he doesn't want to become the traveler of the most used path or most common path. In fact, he wants to explore new things, new experiences. Thus, he is different from the crowd of people. This less used path may be difficult at the end, but it has its own qualities and experiences and its own beauty. Thus, the poem conveys a very good theme. The poet illustrates this theme through a simple event of his own life. He presents a situation where he has to face dilemma between two paths. The yellow wood shows that it is the season of autumn. The poem is quite symbolic. This autumn may be the symbol of the sadness of his own life. There are two paths in his life at one time, but anyone cannot travel on two paths at the same time. So the writer has to face the problem of making the right choice. Then he finally chooses the one that looks less used or an extraordinary way. The traveler's choice, however, is not easy. Both paths look equally attractive. After taking the less used path, he thinks that he would travel on the other road later on. He is fully aware of the fact that once he has taken a path, there could be no going back. Then the poet thinks about the future when he will understand the consequences of his decisions. It is only the future that will tell us the consequences of our choices and whether a particular choice was the right one or not. The poet chose the road less traveled by, and that has made the difference. There is a hint of regret here that may be because the road less traveled is also a lonely and difficult road than the other. There is a hidden message in the poem. The poet suggests that one has to make a choice in life. Although often there is a feeling of regret over our choice, what we should remain content Easy path may be comfortable, but difficult path teaches us new things and new incidents. Thanks for watching.